So I will be sharing to you how to make name tracing worksheets like this. So this is very important, especially when you're a teacher or a parent and you want your kids to know how to write their names. So there are two ways. The first one is you can do this without offline. I mean offline. So you just open your browser and then type here font space yan fontspace.com and then enter. And then here you can see there are 94,000 free fonts, free downloads of regular licensed fonts that are perfect for your design projects. So ang maganda po dito, free po siya. So wala po kayong babayaran, of course. So let's try type okay, this name or I love you. So you can see here there are lots of fonts, beautiful fonts. If you like this one, you can go this icon. You can click download font, and then it will automatically appear in your file folder. So we'll search here. Here teaching print dotted. Okay, enter. Then here you can see here that this kind of font. And then after this, teaching print, and after this, you can download this font. You can click this icon. Yan, na-download na po siya. And after that, click this one. Here, you can see two options. The first one and the second one. We can click this one to view. So here, this kind of font, there's no lines. So how about the second one? So here. So I think we're gonna use this one, right? So what we're going to do is to open this again and then click install. Kasi na-install ko na po siya, so hindi ko na po siya kailangan i-install uli. So pag na-install na po siya, if you're going to open your word, Word, even though you are not, you have no connection, internet connection, you can use this one. So I'm going to type any name, like for example, Christine C. Christine C. Gomez. And then after that, hahanapin po natin yung teaching dotted yan. Okay. Yan. So we can copy paste this. Right. So, yan po. Pwede mo na po siyang mag-print as many as you want. And then you can personalize the names of your students, especially kinder teachers and grade 1 teachers. For those who are having hard time creating this, so this is very much easy. You can do this within 5 seconds. You can have this one. So napapansin ko niyo po na wala po siyang blue and red line. So specifically doon po siya sa pag-trace ng letters. So gawa po tayo ng name tracing worksheets na red and blue lines. Okay, just open our browser and then let's open this Canva. Oh, ayan. This is free po. So you can search here, you can click templates, and then here we can custom right we can input here a name tracing worksheets. So here. So marami po. If you want this, you can have this through clicking this one. If you want this, so let's try here. Okay, let's find another. So this one. So you're going to click this and then click customize this template. Ayan na po. So after clicking this template, you can edit this. Okay. For Christine. Yes. Pwede po siya natin paliitin. Okay. Ayan po. If you want po na i-adjust yung spacing, you can click the three dots here. And then this one po. And then here, letter spacing. Yan. Maybe that's good. And then, click lang po natin para po ma-adjust yung kanyang font size. Yan. Maybe this is good. So you can delete this. And then copy this. Control C and then Control V. And then drag. Control C, Control V, and then drag. Okay po. So yun lang po. Sana po may natutunan po kayo. Thank you for watching.